How to sort text alphabetically in Microsoft Word. It's quite easy and simple to sort text alphabetically in Microsoft Word. You must follow all the steps one by one till the end. Without much ado, let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Word with all the text that you want to sort. As you can see here are the list of Asian countries over this Microsoft Word page, and they are not set up or sort out it alphabetically in Microsoft Word. In order to do so, you simply need to select the text that you want to sort out in Microsoft Word. And once you have done that, you need to click on the Home tab at the top left corner of the screen. And on this Home tab, you will find the sort icon at top of the screen. Simply you need to click on it. And as you can see, we have text on this Microsoft Word, so you have to delete this paragraphs and sort by text. Choose ascending order, and if you have header row, you need to select header row. As we can see that here are no any row header, so that's why you need to click on no header row. And after that, click OK, and automatically we have successfully sorted the text alphabetically in Microsoft Word. That's it. That's how we can easily sort text alphabetically in Microsoft Word. I hope this video worked. If this video was helpful, then hit the like button, share and comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching.